You mentioned the issue of the provincial government, that we still don't have those provincial parliaments that were in the constitution. And I'm asking myself, what can be done? Who needs to push government? Do you think civil society has done enough to say, but Mr. Government, this is what we agreed. What are you doing to make sure that you implement this? Probably not only civil society, but the opposition as well. They seem to be, just comfortable, not talking about it.
I think the greatest responsibility for ensuring that the Constitution is fully implemented rests with the people of Zimbabwe. They are the ones who must put in place a government that will abide by the provisions of the Constitution. So they are the ones who have not done enough. They have not done enough since 2013, and one would expect that in 2018 they are going to take a stand and say we want a government that is going to implement fully the provisions of this Constitution. I think civil society has done as much as they can within limited funding environment that they are operating in. There is no longer a lot of cash out there for them to organize a lot of programs to reach out to the people. You remember that the government is under obligation to ensure that this Constitution is taught in schools, to ensure that the people out there know every provision of the Constitution. But deliberately they are withholding that right for people to know fully about the Constitution so that they do not demand the empowerment that they are getting from the provisions of the Constitution. So that is the greatest tragedy that we have. It is all up to the people of Zimbabwe to stand up and say, we want a government that is going to implement the Constitution fully.